All right, finally lattice. So this one is, I'm telling you, clean, neat lines are major key here. All right, clean, neat lines. So I'm going to actually move this up a little bit because I know I'm going to need a little bit more space. Okay, so we're going to start off with same one. We're going to do 12 times 34. Again, this one, you're not really going to expand your factors. You're just going to kind of separate them a little bit, give it a little bit of space, and you are going to separate your factors. So we're going to draw a line here, and we're going to draw a line here. And then we've also talked about this. You want the right amount of space. If not, you're going to have a weird amount. It's just going to mess you up. It's just going to be weird. All right, so on your paper, I already drew this for you, but I'd like for you to go back and trace the lines, okay? So you're going to give each box, just like you normally would, a tens and a ones place. Again, as straight as you possibly can, a tens and a ones place, a tens and a ones place, and a tens and a ones place. All right, and if you'll notice, these areas, like in this box, that's one straight line, or it's supposed to be one straight line. That's going to help you out too, is if you can keep that kind of connected, right? So we're going to start up here with our threes, and we're going to take 3 across. So 3 times 2, and that is 6. 3 times 1, and that is 3. All right, now we're going to start with our 4s. So over across, 4 times 2 is 8, and 4 times 1 is 4. All right, now the cool part is now we just add horizontally. So I'm going to add here, 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 and here. And if there's a 0 in front, then that just tells you that you don't need that there. All right, so over here in this first section, we're going to put 8. And then in our next section, we have 6 plus 0 plus 4, which gives us 10. So 0 here, and then regroup our 1. So that gives us 4 in our next section, because 3 plus 1 is 4, and then 0 at the end. So your product here is 408. Okay? All right, so let's try our next one. Our next one was 46 times 35. All right, and again, I would love it if you would pause your video here and try this for yourself and then come back and join me. So I'm hoping that you paused, you tried it, and now we're going to go through it. So again, you give each section a tens and a ones place, as straight as possible. You give your next section a tens and a ones place. A little bit wonky, but I think we're okay. And the last box, a tens and a ones place. All right. So we start with distributing. We're going to start over here with our 3. So 3 times 6 is 18. 5 times 6 is 30. 3 times 4 is 12. 5 times 4 is 20. All right, and we're going to start by adding here, and you want to start in this stage just in case there's any regrouping. So 0 plus nothing is 0. Next we have 8 plus 3 plus 0. So 8 plus 3 is 11. And we're going to regroup. Now we have this section. So we have 1 plus 1, which is 2, plus 2 more, we're going to get 6. And finally, we have this section is 1. And so you read your answer like that. So you start up there, so you should have 1,610 as your final product. All right. When you're finished, I will be pulling some groups and be pulling some friends. So just be ready, but I hope that works out for you. And again, you can always go back and try it again, watch it again, practice some more. All right.